So this is a short haircut here. This is a person. No, this is long, brown, strong hair. Let's start. We're using a hair clipper and 1 up to 7mm comp attachment, and we're going to use for the main hair on top of it only 1 comp attachment. This is enough for it with 11mm. That means we are going to use not the 1 up to 7mm. We are using the 7 to 24mm comp attachment, and the setup was in the middle area. That means 11mm are we think is the best solution for a short haircut. You can see we are going from the bottom side of the head to the upper side, from the side to side, and we are going through the hair and cut it off the hair. And it's really easy to perform this. Here you can see it's only one swipe, the hair is gone. So go all the area of the hair with a clipper. We choose 11mm. You can also use 8mm and the smaller comp attachment, for example, or you can use a higher range up to 24mm for a shortcut. Of course, you are able to get a long cut with the 24 up to 42mm comp attachment. But we are going to use all the head 11mm, and you can see it's really easy to perform. So now at the ears, we are going to use the hair clipper without a comp attachment to get a hard cut here. This is an 0.5mm setting. That means we can use the hair clipper to make a little banding thing on the side. And on the front area, you can see we're going to use the clipper without the comp attachment too, for clipping the eyebrows. This is really easy, as you can see. Swipe the hair a little bit up and then cut them into pieces with the hair clipper immediately. So easy it is to use a hair clipper to get a short and good haircut at your home for yourself. This is really easy to perform, as you can see. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.